My name is Brandon, and my company is Stellara, and we create AI voice agents for skilled trades businesses. Now, today I wanted to give you just a taste of what this voice agent can do and how it can be implemented into a skilled trades business and beyond. So I'm going to go ahead and give the AI agent a call. Now, this would be the number that people would call into for your business, say on Google My Business, on your website, etc. So I'm going to go give it a call, and I want you to see how it's working in real time. And then we'll go in and look how it booked the service call, and how I can reschedule, cancel it, and so on and so forth. So here we go.
Hello, this is Mike, a digital assistant for Quality Plumbing Solutions. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mike, I have a toilet that's overflowed downstairs that I need to get a quote for.
Hi there. That sounds like a stressful situation. Is this an emergency, or would you like to schedule a standard service appointment?
It's pretty much of an emergency just because there's water everywhere, so I'd like to get someone out as soon as possible.
Got it. We'll prioritize this for you. Could you please share your name?
Yeah, my name is Brandon.
Thanks, Brandon. Could you also describe the issue a bit more? Is the toilet still overflowing, or has the water stopped?
It's definitely still overflowing, and it's kind of everywhere on the floor. I'm not sure how to turn it off.
Thanks for letting me know, Brandon. It sounds like a tough situation. I'll make sure we get someone out to you as soon as possible. Could you also provide your address so we know where to send the technician?
Yes, it's 980 Circle Run in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Thank you, Brandon. Just to confirm, your address is 980 Circle Run in Charlotte, North Carolina, correct?
Yes.
Could you also provide your phone number so I can finalize the details?
Yes, 949-682-7235.
Thanks, Brandon. Just to confirm, your phone number is 949-682-7235, correct?
That is
Lastly,
correct.
could you provide your email? Great, thank you. Lastly, could you provide your email address so we can send you an appointment confirmation?
Yeah, it's brandon@gmail.com.
Thank you, Brandon. Let me check our availability for today to get someone out to help with your overflowing toilet. Please hold on for a moment. Brandon, the earliest availability we have today is at 1 p.m. Would that work for you?
Yeah, that's in a couple hours.
Great. Let me book the 1 p.m. slot for you. Please hold on for a moment. Your appointment is confirmed for today at 1 p.m. Our technician will call you 30 minutes before arrival. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Take care.
All right, so there we go. So we saw how and now it's going down here. So what happened is everything that just happened, it checked the bookings on my calendar as a business owner. It kind of deciphered my problem, went ahead and made that booking because it saw that the earliest available appointment was in a few hours at 1 p.m. And then after all that was done, it went ahead and routed all that back here to this router. And we can see that it went down through Grok, which is another AI, through some JSON, and then into Google Sheets. Now, so if we go look over here, we'll see that all of this information was put into our CRM. This is an example, so it's in Google Sheets, or we can do Airtable, or if you have a custom CRM, we can go ahead and do that as well. But we have the timestamp, the day the appointment is booked for, which in this case is 3/14 today. We have my name, number, email address. We have the property address, the service booked, emergency toilet repair. We have a call summary. So not the entire call, but a summary, so just the important details. We have the recording URL. We have the transcript of the entire call. So if you want to read that, you can. And of course, the recording URL so you can listen to the entire call. We have the end reason, which in this case, the agent hung up. I, as a user, did not hang up. and then we have the call ID. And these are just some of the elements that we put in there. Now, if we go over to booking here, we can see Friday, the 14th of March at 1 p.m., Brandon, an emergency toilet overflow repair. So it gives you just an idea of what's happening there. So the business owner and or technician can see that. And then finally, it sent an email, a detailed email to my email address, in this case, the technician's email address, to break down all of this. They don't have to go back to the CRM. It just notifies them in real time. So now let's go ahead and cancel this booking. And you can see that, you'll see that it's going to check the booking this path, and then it's going to cancel it down here via these paths. So, and all we need is the phone number. So let's go ahead and do that right now.
Hello, this is Mike, Digital Assistant for Quality Plumbing Solutions. How can I help you today?
Hi, Mike. I actually need to cancel an appointment that I just made.
I can help you with that. Could you please provide me with the phone number you used to book the appointment? This will help me locate your booking.
Yeah, it's 949-682-7235.
I found your appointment scheduled for today, March 14th at 1 p.m. Let me cancel it for you. One moment, please. Your appointment for today at 1 p.m. has been successfully canceled. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. All right, so now we'll see, now this will completely be gone. There we go. So this is just kind of a taste, and I get a customer cancellation email as well. But this is just a taste of what this technology can do and how it can be implemented into really any business. We're particularly focusing right now on skilled trades businesses, but we're open to doing other projects in different fields. So this is really exciting stuff, and this technology is only getting better and better. So it's going to be really exciting to see what's going to happen just within the next coming months, because AI is getting so much better really by the day. So if anyone has any questions or wants to learn more about this technology and how it can be implemented into their business, go ahead and you can email me at hello@stollara.com. So that's hello@stollara.com.